So, just like that, we're flying to Singapore. The client handpicked us to take care of the production, which, let's be honest, says a lot about us. Fun fact, I've been working with Ben, Chris, and Yogi for 2.5 years, and this trip was the very first time I actually met them face to face. To shake off the flight hours and get our heads clear, we hit Universal Studios on day one. The boys had already prepared the shot list and creative ideas from Sydney. Aside from the fact that we're very good at what we do, we're also just super fun to have around on set. Over the next 5 days, all 4 of us were completely connected. Everybody had a role, and we swapped seamlessly throughout the shoot, jumping between BTS cam, stills, B-roll, and interviews. At one point, we hauled in a huge, double-sided glass panel just to use as a matte POV material. You see, our slogan isn't just some standard marketing word we're throwing around. When it comes to creating, the sky is the limit. Pressure, stress, that's not what we are. We are fearless. We are AIIMS.